Hello everyone! Kali! Welcome! Where are we going? A road trip! Anong road trip? Yes, we're going to Tagaytay! Sandro! Uy! Sandro! Butso! You say hi! Splad!
Hi friends! Welcome again sa another episode of my vlog. Today we're going to Tagaytay. Hailey requested to go there kasi gusto niya makita yung magandang view. But medyo late na kami nakaalis ng house. You know naman, pag merong mga kids, medyo mabagad. I hope meron pa kaming makitang magandang view at gusto raw mag-pictorial ni Chekwa. Before going there, I thought, Tagaytay na naman. We went there na last year. Pero nung nakita ko yung mga restaurants and the lights, na-miss ko rin pala tong place na to. And since na late na talaga kami, ang ending, Sky Ranch ang bagsak namin, friends.
Here, Ishen, the view. Yung guys, yung ayun guys, yung ano bang tawag dyan? Taal Lake and the Taal Volcano. Ayan, ano na siya, color white na siya. If you're seeing it from here, kung nakikita nyo kasi yung nakikita ko kulay puti. Wait. Ayan, di ba? Kulay white na siya, as in na siguro sa ash yan. Tapos yung, itong, ano na rin siya, hindi na siya water, parang puro ashes na din. Sayang, we're already late. Yes. Can you see it? Ayan. Ayan, so nandito kami ngayon sa Sky Ranch. At least, naabutan pa namin yung view. Can you see it? You want me to carry you? Look. Huh? Okay. Yo! See? There's the volcano. Yeah, the Taal volcano. So the ticket inside the Sky Ranch is 120, 1-year-old and above. Oh, diba? There's no discount. Ba't ako sumisigaw? Naka-mic nga pala ako. And this time of the year, medyo malamig siya. Unlike na nagpunta kami last February, medyo hindi malamig. So right now, malamig, medyo malamig-lamig siya. Yan. Come on, let's ask the horses. Yan. Dito ka lang mag-wait kay mama. Gustong sumakay ng horse ng pamangkin ko. But hindi pa namin sure kung pwede kasi madilim na and may fog na yun, medyo madilim-dilim na talaga ang langit. Yan, can you see the sky? Grabe, grabe yung fog. Ayun, bumababa na yung fog.
youngsters, horseback riding is 350 per passenger for 30 minutes. Grabe, ang mahal, no? Medyo nagkulang na budget, kaya ayun, nag-withdraw muna yung mga kasama ko. And while waiting, we saw Hailey's favorite Philippine snacks, no other than Potato Corner.
Go, come. You go there, you go to Kuya. Oh, let's go. Oh, there's the horse.
Ano po sila magkasama?
Hindi. Okay, go. Choose which one do you like. Go. Don't be afraid. Okay, come on. You sit down. Go. Raise your legs. Raise your legs.
Go, you go. Raise this leg. Go, you go.
Yeah. Don't be afraid. You're a big girl, right? Yes. Bye, Kali.
Ay, yung ticket ko pala.
Ay, Hailey. No, no, no. Don't move. Don't move. Why?
I don't want!
Why? The kuya will gonna hold the horse. Oh, you want to sit with ate? You want?
I don't want to ride the horse anymore.
Are you ate? You want to sit with ate?
No, I don't want.
Buti na lang hindi na ako pinagbayad sa pagsama sa pamangkin ko sa pagsakay ng horseback. So pricey nga kasi. Then, sa totoo lang, masakit sa puwet ha. Kaloka.
Of course, because you're crying. I don't know why did you cry. Oh. I'm not supposed to ride the horse, but the little girl is crying. She got afraid, right? There's ate. It's okay. The horse are friendly, you just don't hit him.
Why the horse is eating?
Grass.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ay, we're riding alone? Where the horse will gonna take us? Yeah.
Why everybody's watching?
Yeah, everybody's watching you look, oh, and then you cry. And napasakay tuloy ako. Ito kasi umiyak.
It says 30 minutes, but I think we only rode for 10 minutes. Tinanong na ako ni Kuya if we still want to continue. Buti na lang ayaw na ng pamangkin ko. That's why we said no. Siguro pagod na rin mga caretaker. Ikaw ba naman maglakad ng 30 minutes for the whole day, diba? Friends, remind ko lang ha that Sky Ranch is not accepting cards. So bring cash with you.
Sige! Wow! Yay! Yay! Si lion or hippo? Okay po, congratulations! Yay!
We left Sky Ranch after 2 hours kasi medyo nilamig na kami. We stopped somewhere in Gentry, Cavite to eat dinner. We saw this small coffee shop, Hanley Cafe. we decided to eat here. They offer rice, pizza, coffee, milk tea, fruit shakes. Medyo masikip sa loob, but it feels so cozy. We ordered pizza, waffles, and lemon cucumber tea. Grabe ang sarap, especially the waffles. Very recommended siya. So friends, if you're in Cavite or mapadaan sa Cavite, don't forget to try Handy's Cafe. Masarap na, mura pa.
Overload pizza.
So there you go friends, another super saya lakad here in Manila. Medyo tahimik lang si Hailey cause her teenage cousins are not around. But she still enjoys being with her little pamangkins. So till our next trip somewhere in the Philippines. See you around friends!